The company is engaged in the business of providing customized cooling solutions to diverse set of clients across a wide range of industries by manufacturing and supply of high-quality refrigeration products and equipment. We have with us today Mr. Chandrakant P. Patel, Chairman and Managing Director, Mr. Nikhil Bhatt, Vice President Strategy, Mr. Ankit Patel, CFO, and key management of Ice Mate Refrigeration Limited. At this moment, all participant lines are in listen-only mode. Later, we will conduct a question and answer session. At that time, if you have a question, please press star and 1 on your touchtone keypad. Please note that this conference is being recorded. I would now like to hand the floor over to Mr. Patel. Thank you, and over to you, sir.
गुड इवनिंग। मैं आप सभी का इस इन्वेस्टर कॉन कॉल में स्वागत करता हूं। पहले आपने कोविड-19 के संबंधित बिजनेस की मुश्किलों में काफी हद तक सुधार हुआ है और इसका पॉजिटिव असर हमारे बिजनेस पर भी हुआ है और ये फाइनेंशियल ईयर के रिजल्ट में भी वो दिख रहा है। ई कॉमर्स, कोल्ड रूम, डेयरी, एमोनिया, एक्सपोर्ट, ये सभी जगह से हमें अच्छे ऑर्डर मिल रहे हैं। आइसक्रीम और हॉस्पिटैलिटी दोनों सेगमेंट भी अब नॉर्मल हो गए हैं और उनकी भी ऑर्डर मिलने चालू हो गए हैं। ई कॉमर्स के कई बड़े ब्रांड के साथ हम जुड़े हुए हैं और अच्छे ऑर्डर भी है हमारे पास। ये बताने में मुझे खुशी है कि हमने अब तक 100 करोड़ नेट सेल्स क्रॉस कर दिया है और आगे Q3 और Q4 में भी अच्छे ग्रोथ की उम्मीद है और वैसे भी सेकंड हाफ हमारा स्ट्रॉन्ग रहता है। हमारा पेंडिंग ऑर्डर बुक 53 करोड़ है। आगे सीएफओ मिस्टर अंकित पटेल फाइनेंस के बारे में जानकारी देंगे और हमारे वीपी स्ट्रेटेजी मिस्टर निखिल भट्ट बिजनेस अपडेट देंगे। उसके बाद हम आपके सवालों का जवाब देंगे।
Very good afternoon to all of you. The company has posted strong growth and improved its profitability led by sharp recovery in the demand. During H1 FY22, consolidated revenue from operations saw a strong 69% year-on-year growth. Consolidated revenue in Q2 FY22 stood at 47.98 crore as against 32.55 crore quarter-on-quarter. Impact of raw material prices are a bit concerned. Yet the company is usually passing on the price hike to customers. Average price hike of the product was around 8% in Q2 FY22. We are able to pass effective price hike around 1.5% to customers in Q2 FY22 compared to Q1 FY22. Standalone EBITDA margin for Q2 FY22 is 6.58% and for H1 FY22 it is 4.33%. The company is having positive cash flows and are able to control finance costs effectively. We are looking forward to post good numbers in next quarter along with improved margins. Thank you.
Good afternoon. The economic environment has been really tough and challenging now. However, our experienced team has been quick to respond with the plans and strategies which have proved to be fruitful in tackling the current economic environment. Interestingly, our basket of 50 plus products and services have placed well in the market. Cooling and refrigeration systems have become necessities of the modern lifestyle, and thanks to the under-penetration, we have been able to bounce back fast and grow at decent pace even in difficult environment. Please, so far as business verticals and the growth is concerned, we have observed that during Q2 and in particular Q1 also, in current H1, all our vertical has grown historically. As stated earlier by our JMD regarding the order on hand. So it is considerably in our cold room sector, which is our main core product. In that part also, we are getting good orders. We are approximately 20 crores of orders are on hand. As well as we have also associated with the national level cold chain business, and we have supplied almost, we have received 43 cold rooms as orders from a single customer. So far as export is concerned, it is also growing. What we have done in the past financial year we have also achieved in this current H1. Ammonia sector is also improving. As you know that we have received one big order of around 3.5 crore in the Q1. And in the second Q2 also we have received one good order from one of the coating sector through our associates. Commercial segment, it is also growing as e-commerce is also developing fast, and we are also associated with one of the leading companies, globally leading companies in the e-commerce platform, and we are getting regularly orders for that. Record One business is also growing, what will be expected. Pharmacy. We are looking for the association for the business association for Record One in the southern state, and very strong dialogue is on the process, and we are hopeful that we will close the matter for the business with the southern area. So as we have done in the east area, you are knowing that we have associated with one of the bodybuilders for this Refer One business. Just like that, we are looking for the southern area also. We have also developed a new design in Refer One, which is basically corrugated based. So far we are doing business with the GRP based Refer One, and now we also developed corrugated Refer One, which is at demand in the current trade. Thank you.
Shall we open the floor for questions?
Yes. Yeah.
Thank you very much. We will now begin the question and answer session. Anyone who wishes to ask a question may press star and 1 on their touchtone telephone. If you wish to remove yourself from the question queue, you may press star and 2. The first question is from the line of Shriram Rajaram from Ratnatraya Capital Partners. Please go ahead.
So what is the current order book?
Current order. 53 crores. Our current order book is 53 crores.
And what was it during March 2021?
In March, it was around maybe 40 crores, nearly 40-45.
45 crores.
Okay. Do you have any follow-up questions?
No, thank you.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, you may press star and 1 to ask the question. Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir, can you throw some light on your exports as to how it is doing compared to the last quarter, and even if you can throw light on how it has been in the H1 of this financial year?
Our H1 export for this current half year, our export is around 7.5 crores. And we are also having pending export orders around 2.5 crores. In previous years, our export was 6 crores for whole year. We already surpassed that export, and we are expecting our export maybe around 10 crores plus in current financial year. After COVID, we are expecting our export growth will be a bit higher due to corona restrictions, traveling were restricted. Now we are hoping that export can contribute to our top line. So greater rating.
Okay. Any update on any association with any foreign parties? Last time in the conference call, the management has mentioned that you are collaborating with one foreign company. So what is the update on that, sir?
That collaboration is going really nice. We are having 1 crore pending order as of now for that US party, and we have already dispatched a couple of maybe 1.5 crores to that party in current half year, and we are getting continuous repeat orders from that party. Other than that, also we are getting good orders from Nepal also.
Okay. Any other market in terms of exports the company is tapping, and what is the progress like in African countries that you are trying to penetrate?
See, actually, due to this corona restrictions and that it was not possible to both the way to travel.
Okay.
Now the restriction is over, and most of the traveling will be there. So we are expecting that the customers who were waiting for that to visit India, as well as we were also planned to visit somewhere in the African country, and be able to plan out further and be able to explore more possibility for the export.
Okay, sir. All right. Yeah, thank you so much. That's what I just wanted. Thank you.
Thank you. Participants, you may press star and 1 to ask the question. The next question is from the line of Sriram Rajaram from Ratnatraya Capital. Please go ahead.
Let's start. Is it possible to disclose the revenue breakup, volume, user, commercial?
Your voice is not audible. Can you repeat?
Yeah, is it possible to disclose the revenue breakup for the first half, sir?
So commercial vertical sales was around 14 crores. Foldo contributed 46 crores. Industrial is around 3.5 crores. And transport has contributed 7.85 crores. And ammonia around 5 crores. Our vertical.
And so going forward, you mentioned that the H2 will be better than H1, right?
Yeah, our H2 is generally stronger than H1, and we are also having a very healthy order book in our hand, and current leads are also very high. And we are hoping that we will be able to penetrate our H2 greater in a larger quantum than H1.
And so the current order book is healthy and business inquiries are good, I believe. So is there any sort of spillover in demand from FY21 to 22? I just want to understand if there is any center demand that is getting reported there and it will normalize for a period of time.
Actually, unfortunately, voice is not here, so we are not getting. So can you have some technical issue, I think, will be there.
Yeah, is it audible, sir?
Yeah, it's audible. It's not clear voice.
The echo sound is disturbing the voice.
Here, if you can speak through the handset, will be helpful.
Yeah, is it fine? Is it fine now?
Yes.
Yeah, better. Yeah.
So I just want to understand, you have good order pipeline. So is there any spillover demand from FY21 to 22? Because last year we did about 140 crores. This year, we should do much better than that. So we have done 80 crores already in first half. So what do you think about the current demand situation and what is driving the demand?
Yeah, actually the demand situation is improved. So far as we have observed that last year, due to this corona and everything, the ice cream industry was totally in deep. So now the ice cream industry is also picking up, as well as looking to the awareness. Food processing industry is also developed. It is also growing stage, as well as health sector is always there. So we are hopeful that this current financial year will be better.
Okay. Thank you, sir. All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you. Participants, you may press star and 1 to ask the question. Ladies and gentlemen, you may press star and 1 to ask the question. Anyone who wishes to ask a question may press star and 1. The next question is from the line of Aryan Vana from Aryana Matasco. Please go ahead.
Hello.
Hello. Go ahead, sir.
Yeah, sir. Also, just wanted update on your products like solar powered cold storage units. So, what is the status on that? I think the company had launched these products some 2 years ago. So, how is it going, and what is the now the summer will be coming after this cold is over. So, will there be some demand happening, or is the company in touch with various governments or various agricultural for this particular product, solar cold this thing?
Yeah, it's the improvement. As well as earlier we are having one model only on 5 metric ton size. And now we have dedicated focus on the solar cold room. We are just associating or we are just dialoguing with the government agencies, government office, taking care of this area, mainly renewable energy. And various size of the cold room, that is not only 5 metric ton, we are getting order of 10 metric ton recently. And there are also issues on the pipeline.
Okay.
So we have focused now on the solar cold room, and one experienced dedicated person we have hired for cold room only. Solar cold room, as well as other solar product, whatever the visibility or what is the viability. So we are hopeful that by H2 we'll be able to improve ourselves in the solar cold room also.
Okay, and how about e-commerce? How is it going on? Also, we just wanted some update on your reefer van business. How is it taking off? I mean, are you getting orders for reefer van also?
Yeah, so far as e-commerce is concerned, we are getting regularly orders. We have a understanding with the global party, and we, as per the standards, we have also developed 1 or 2 products for them.
Okay.
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 So far as concerned, we have in Q1, we have received a repeated order from the big customer. We have supplied to one of the customer groups. And before one, we are developing one of the agency in the southern state, that may be in the Andhra Pradesh or Kerala, as we have done in the West Bengal earlier. So they will be taking a CKD form and they will complete the bodybuilding work for the reform one, because the transportation is a key for the refrigeration one business.
Okay.
It will be more shortly what we expect.
Okay, sir. How about the other segments that you are looking at, like cash and carry, van, something, and also there was another one like airport business. This thing we had read some time ago in press that you are targeting those segments also, which will be doing well.
No, that is true. But so far as concerned, we have already developed earlier, but
Okay.
there is no strong positive development at this stage. But it is true.
Okay, sir. All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Participants, you have a star in 1 to ask a question. Ladies and gentlemen, you may press star and 1 to ask a question. The next question is from the line of Vivek Mehta, an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
आपको रिजल्ट के मुताबिक बिजनेस अच्छा है पिछले क्वार्टर के मुताबिक. मेरे 2 क्वेश्चन थे रिलेटेड टू मार्जिन और प्राइस हाइक. ये साल में 22 के अंदर हम लोग मार्जिन क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं, और दूसरा जो रॉ मटेरियल के प्राइसेस बढ़े हैं तो उसके मुताबिक हमने कोई प्राइस हाइक लिया हुआ है या नहीं लिया है, क्योंकि ब्लू स्टार और वगैरह उन लोगों की कंपनी में के भी मैंने ट्रांसक्रिप्ट पढ़े हैं. तो हम लोगों ने नॉर्मली 12 से 14% का प्राइस हाइक लिया हुआ था. तो हम लोगों ने कुछ ऐसा लिया है, कोई यूनिवर्सल पॉलिसी जैसा कुछ है या नहीं है, ये जाना है मुझे.
अगर Q2 की बात करें तो यू आर राइट कि रॉ मटेरियल के प्राइस काफ़ी वॉलेटाइल है इस बार, और मोर देन एक्सपेक्टेड वो काफ़ी वॉलेटाइल रहे हैं और अभी भी इंक्रीज हो रहे हैं. तो Q2 में हमने 8% के आसपास, एवरेज 8% का हमने प्राइस हाइक किया था, जो कस्टमर को पास ऑन किया था. बट इफेक्टिवली उसका इफेक्ट में भी अराउंड 1.5% आया है Q2 में. Q1 में हमारे मार्जिन ज़रा थे, तो Q2 में स्लाइटली इम्प्रूव हुए हैं. वी आर ऑल्सो कंटिन्यूइंग टू इंक्रीज अवर प्राइजेस. हम कई बड़े प्रोजेक्ट में केस टू केस भी प्राइस हाइक कर देते हैं, और अदरवाइज हमने कुछ एक डिस्काउंट की पॉलिसी भी चेंज की है, और प्राइस हाइक जो हमारे रूटीन कस्टमर है उनके ऊपर भी पास ऑन करना स्टार्ट किया है. तो Q2 के मुकाबले हमारा Q3 जो आएगा और सेकंड हाफ रहेगा वो मार्जिन के मैटर में ज़्यादा इम्प्रूव रहेगा.
अच्छा, और दूसरा अभी पटेल सर ने बोला कि हम लोगों ने 100 करोड़ का टर्नओवर, 12 का टर्नओवर क्रॉस कर लिया है. तो पिछले साल FY21 में करीब हमने 134 करोड़ के आसपास का टर्नओवर किया था. तो इस बार अभी 100 करोड़ क्रॉस हो चुके हैं नवंबर महीने में, और आपने बोला कि आपका सेकंड हाफ जो है वो स्ट्रॉन्ग रहता है.
तो क्या हमारा मैनेजमेंट और कंपनी का क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन है, कोई टारगेट किया हुआ है या फिर FY22 के लिए कितना परसेंट ग्रोथ रहेगा अगले साल से, या फिर क्या करेंगे? हम ऐसा एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि जो करंट मार्केट सिनेरियो है और हमारा जो प्लानिंग है, तो वी एक्सपेक्टिंग के 30% ग्रोथ हम मिलेगा ईयर टू ईयर। बराबर 30% ग्रोथ।
वी कैन ऑल्सो 30% के आसपास का ग्रोथ तो हम इस बार इजीली पुट कर पाएंगे।
अच्छा, और उसके बाद के सालों में कुछ टारगेट किया हुआ है 2 साल के लिए, 3 साल का मिनिमम या फिर पूरे साल?
वैसे 5 ईयर का ओरिजन हम रखे तो 25 से 30% के ग्रोथ पे हम आगे बढ़े, वैसा हमारा प्लानिंग है। और अभी के डिमांड और हमारी प्रोडक्ट और जो नए मार्केट को भी हम एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं, उसके मुकाबले लग रहा है कि 25 से 30% का ग्रोथ हम ला पाएंगे।
अच्छा, और आपने जो कैपेसिटी यूटिलाइजेशन की बात करते हैं आप हर बार कॉम्पो के अंदर, तो उसमें कुछ चेंजेस हुआ है या फिर वो आपकी जो जनता वहाँ पे रहे वैसे ही कैपेसिटी यूटिलाइजेशन रहता है? नहीं, इस बार कैपेसिटी यूटिलाइजेशन थोड़ा है, क्योंकि आप देखेंगे जैसा ऑर्डर तो अभी हमें मिल रहा है, तो हम पहले जो करीबन 55% एवरेज हमारी कैपेसिटी यूटिलाइजेशन होती है, इस साल हम मान लेंगे 65% से ज़्यादा हमारी कैपेसिटी यूटिलाइजेशन अभी हो रहा है। ओके, एवरेज अच्छा, ओके।
मंथली ऑर्डर बात करें जुलाई से लेकर में हर महीने में हमने अराउंड 17-18 करोड़ का मिनिमम बुकिंग तो हमने किया हुआ ही है। तो अभी प्रोडक्शन के ऊपर भी काफी अच्छा मतलब हेल्दी पॉजिटिव प्रेशर है, एंड वी आर इस बार H2 का ग्रोथ हम सब्सटेंशियल आ पाएंगे।
बराबर। टोटल ऑर्डर बुक आपने 53 करोड़ का बोला पेंडिंग, तो उसमें वर्टिकल वाइज दिखता है आपके जो 5 मेन वर्टिकल है उसमें कितना होगा इंडिविजुअल में?
कोल्ड रूम की पेंडिंग ऑर्डर बुक अराउंड 20 करोड़ के आसपास है, 19-20 करोड़।
ओके।
कॉमर्शियल का है अराउंड 9 करोड़।
ओके।
इंडस्ट्रियल वर्टिकल है जो चिलर वाला है, उसमें 3 करोड़ की पेंडिंग ऑर्डर बुक है। रिफरमेंट में 6-6.25 करोड़ का है।
बराबर।
अमोनिया का तकरीबन 11-12 करोड़ के आसपास है।
अच्छा।
और डेयरी सेगमेंट जो कॉमर्शियल में आता है, तो उसका भी अराउंड 3.5 करोड़ के आसपास का है। तो कॉमर्शियल का कुल मिला के 12 करोड़ के आसपास का हो जाएगा।
ओके ओके। और आपके कॉम्पिटिटर्स में कोई नया पार्टनर मतलब नया कोई आया है जो नॉर्मल सिचुएशन में जैसे दूसरा वोल्टास वगैरह तो है, पर कोई नया ऐसा ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल हो वैसा कुछ कोई बड़ा वाला कोई आया है?
और ये तो पिछले 1-2 साल से डाइकिन अच्छी तरह से काम कर रहा है, वोल्टास भी है, लेकिन हमें खुशी है बड़े प्लेयर जब मार्केट में आता है तो उनको मार्केट एक बड़ा और अच्छा पॉजिटिव मार्केट नजर आता है, तो हो सकता है मार्केट आगे जाके काफी ग्रो करेगा, इसलिए ये लोग आए हुए हैं। दोनों अच्छे हैं, लेकिन हम लोग हमारे प्रोडक्ट में हमारे जो मार्केट रेपुटेशन है, हमारे प्रोडक्ट का फीडबैक है कस्टमर में, उनको लेके हमें उनसे कोई चिंतित नहीं है कि बड़े प्लेयर के सामने बिजनेस नहीं कर पाएंगे।
ओके, थैंक यू सर, congratulations for the result and all the best for the future.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Participants, you may press star and 1 to ask the question. Ladies and gentlemen, you may press star and 1 to ask the question. The next question is from the line of Sriram Raja from Ratna Capital Partners. Please go ahead.
So when do we expect us to report normalized margins of 7-8%? Can we expect it from Q4 of this year?
You want to say what will your margin in coming year?
Correct, sir.
Our margin, we hope that our Q2 was improved by 1.5% effectively, and our consumption ratio was nearly around 72-73%. So we expect that there will be further improvement in Q3, but raw material prices are highly volatile. So considering current scenario, if we are increasing price and the raw material price stabilize, then we can say maybe around 1.5 to 2.5, maybe 3% we can pass on. But we are still looking for raw material prices, what will be the next level. But we are hopeful that Q3 and our second half will be at least 1.5% improvement will be there, minimum.
and I'll ask technical information. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, that was the last question for today. And now hand the conference over to Mr. Mandar, Company Secretary, for closing comments.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. With this, we conclude this quarter's earnings call. We offer you season's greetings and wishing everyone the best of health and safety. Do feel free to revert to us in any case of your questions were not fully answered. We will be happy to provide you additional details by email or in person. Thank you very much and goodbye. Thank you.
Thank you very much. On behalf of Ice Make Refrigeration Limited, that concludes this conference. Thank you for joining us. You may now disconnect your lines.